Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So an exciting thing, the EF is going through a massive change. As you guys saw from my Instagram yesterday, I got a rear lip to finish my body kit for Christmas from my wife, which I'm super stoked about because now the body kit's finished and door pods are on. And I said in my Instagram that there's going to be a big change happening to the EF, and I'll just show you guys what it is now. So this is what's happening right now. I'm currently in my garage and I am putting this mad pattern on the EF for something different. I've never seen another Falcon with a pattern like this before, and I want to stand out and be different, so I'm going ahead and I'm putting something on it to make it super different. I've wanted this pattern for a long time and I finally managed to get it printed, and now I'm going to stick it on myself. So yeah, let's get straight into this video, and I'm going to set up a time lapse of me throwing it on. Alrighty guys, so there is the first side done. I still gotta put a little bit on the front there, but it is currently like 11:30 at night, so yeah, but that looks insane. So this is a little sneak peek, and yeah, we'll get on to the other side tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're back for day 2, doing the passenger side now. So I'm just going to go around, take measurements of everything, get it in the exact same position, and then throw it on. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you can hear me because there is a little bit of wind out here. I'm going to take 2 things of this. This one will be my camera, and if that doesn't work I'm going to try my phone. But anyways, the wrap is done. I'm going to post a time lapse after this. I'm going to do a little bit of a reveal first. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Alrighty guys, so there we have it, all done. I hope you guys like the pattern. I really do. I think it's really something different and makes it really unique, and that's kind of what I want for this car. I want it to be one of a kind, and it is definitely one of a kind now. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. So yeah, this video will be going up in the new year. I started filming it in 2024, but it will be up in 2025. So happy new year to everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed all the content I had in 2024, and I appreciate all of you guys who subscribed and who have stuck around and shown me the support. I really do appreciate it from all you guys. Yeah, I love making these videos for you, and yeah, I'm glad when you guys give me the positive comments and feedback, which is really helpful. So yeah, here's to a good 2025. Hopefully this year can focus more on performance parts, because last year was very cosmetic with the new wheels, the wrap, the finished body kit, the halos, and a few other bits and pieces that I did to it as well. This year I want to try and focus on more performance goals, starting with my new clutch. because with the current power that it's making, the clutch is slipping. It just can't handle the amount of torque going through the gearbox. So I'll be getting a new clutch, hopefully end of February, beginning March, because I got Fridays coming up in April, which I actually want to go to again. But this time I want to put my car on the track, so I want to have a clutch that can actually handle the power so that I'm not slipping clutch all the way down the main straight of Queensland Raceway. Yeah, and then hopefully a few other things as well. And maybe towards the end of the year, a possible engine rebuild. So really looking forward to this year. It's going to be really good, and I hope that we can grow more and that you guys stick around, because yeah, I enjoy doing this build. This car is literally my dream car, and every day I love it more and more and fall in love with it more. So yeah, please like, comment any questions that you have, any videos you want me to do. I'll try and make a video on, just put them down in the comments below. My Instagram's right here, so if you ever want to send me a message or anything on that, you can as well. So go and give that a follow if you're not already, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.